What's up guys, Velen here, Velen Speaks Tech. The Realme, the Realme GT5, alright? Realme GT5, Realme GT, and in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing. So, Realme GT in 2022. Why guys do I have here the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra box and also the Pixel 6 box? I think that it's pretty much obvious. Yesterday I got a meeting with a guy from the internet, from OLX. I bought this phone from him, and the moment he gave me this box I was like, what the hell is going on? Why are you giving me this huge box, right? It was like a huge box. Just imagine guys, like just see the size of this thing, the size of that thing, and then the size of these things. There are pretty obvious reasons, right? And I think you already know, but anyway, unboxing the Realme GT. I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do with the Realme GT, what my plans are, because I want to compare the Realme UI 3.0 with the One UI 4.1, of course also the Realme GT with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, also comparing it with the Pixel OS, the Google OS, the stock Android, so Pixel 6, S22 Ultra, Realme GT. Why I'm doing this? Because I wanted to get a glance from some of the best Chinese phones, and I tried a lot with Xiaomi, but right now we know that the BBQ is doing wonders. So we have the Realme, they have the Vivo, they have the OnePlus, which I think went a horrible road, and of course they do also have Oppo. And I never use them, right? I get a lot of comments from some of you guys telling me, hey, you know, just do some videos about ColorOS and etc. So this Realme UI is almost like 100% ColorOS, and the design, guys. I will show you this piece of art. Yeah, I'm into this. Okay, so this one, I can just remove them and give you guys the unboxing tour of this beast of a phone. Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G 65-watt super dart charge, 120Hz Super AMOLED full screen, Sony 64-megapixel triple camera, and of course more and more. This phone is titled the flagship killer, and I think this is really a true flagship killer. There are just a few things that you will not find in this phone, right? Okay, let me just open the box. So again, the box is huge, and there is a plenty good reason for this one. Welcome to the Realme family. Here is the pin, and then when you open this, guys, you are gonna get also a free case, so this you can put aside. Okay, now let me just pull the phone like this. All right, I pulled the phone like this to just show you the things that really amaze me. So yes, that's true. They have included, you know, a cable, a charging cable, which is actually no good without including the charger. And this is the so-called Super Dirt Realme Charger 65-watt charging, which is kind of insane. And yes, the phone doesn't have wireless charging, so that's one of the downsides. And again, you know, they have to cut some costs. By the way, I bought this for 350 euro. If I have to do this tomorrow again, I'll do this tomorrow again. If I have to do this in 2 weeks, I'll do this for 2 weeks. For this price of money, I really don't think you can buy something better. But guys, see here. What do we have here? Headphones, all right? 2022, okay, this phone was released 2021 last year, but they included headphones. And why? Yeah, I mean, you can guess why, right? Because the phone has, exactly, it has a headphone jack. Now to the phone, and why I bought it, guys, the answer is on the back. Look at this. Look at this. The moment I saw this, I was like, wow, what is this? And I can tell you, this really feels great for touching. That's some kind of a eco-fox, leather, vegan, whatever, I don't really care. It feels great if you touch it, right? It looks great. The camera here is integrated like this, and you have this thing going on until the bottom of the phone, which is actually, I think, from glass. So you have this leather here, you have this glass. This glass, by the way, is a touch magnet, but the leather, you know, you just feel it very nice. And yeah, you touch it, there are no fingerprints. Overall, the phone, guys, the size 6-inch 43, which I think is just quite nice for me. I mean, this phone is really smaller than the S22 Ultra, so it was kind of like a relief when you get it. It has this very flat screen, right? 120 Hz screen. There are not a lot of things, guys, not included in this phone, but I'm gonna get to this. So I want to show you something. I watched so many videos for this phone on YouTube, and nobody was reviewing this accent. Now take a look at the back. All right, you see this very nice yellow back that reminds you of a sports car, and they even included here this accent, guys. This is really nice because I like things like this, like these small touches, like I think in some of the Pixel series, these small touches really amuse me. And now just let's take a look, guys. Here we have a power button, okay? The frame here, the frame is from plastic. A lot of people complain out there, yeah, you know, I can feel it by touching it, and I am telling you, this is really impossible, guys. You cannot feel this. If I don't tell you that's not metal, yeah, you maybe need to scratch it like Jerry. There is not a way for you to just say, okay, it's a plastic, all right? So this feels really premium. We have here the slim slot. We have here also the volume rocker keys. By the way, very tactile. And okay, guys, very important. We have dual speaker setup here and also at the back where we do have the USB-C to microphone. And just take a look, guys. Yes, that's probably the last flagship killer that has a headphone jack. So if you're one of those guys, it's there, guys. And of course, remember, complimentary headphones from Realme. Now to the OS itself, guys. Yesterday when I unpacked this phone, it was using the Realme UI 2.0. So if I have to go here to about the phone, and I'm gonna do this, you can see it's running Android 11 and version 2.0. So of course I went to download software updates. Software updates were not available, so I ran on XDA. I connected myself to Germany via VPN. Boom. Realme UI 3.0, Android 12, wow, look at this changelog. And you know, like the Chinese phone, they always like overdo the changelogs. I decided right now to use the phone with Realme UI 2.0 for a few days, Android 11, and then update it. Alright, and then I'm gonna do these comparison videos and etc. I'm also gonna do a review, so expect to get like a full Realme GT 2022 review. We expect to get also a comparison between Realme 2.0 to 3.0, also Realme 3.0 with One UI 4.1 and also with the Google OS and etc. Yeah, I'm just very excited, and there are really some things that impress me. Like I'm gonna show you just two before I drop the video. So I'm gonna go inside my recent menu, right? You know, these gestures, they're really standard, but see here, guys, if I do like this and hold, I can go to the previous application. All right, I can also do like this. Something that really blew my mind, guys. Now look at this. Whoop. Okay, I can always minimize all the icons like this and then go and choose whatever I want, right? There are plenty of things like this, guys. All the customization options and the way this interface works is really very impressive. And yeah, I was also able to find some familiar things. Now, yeah, from One UI 4, of course, not implemented in the very same way, but I can tell you guys, there are really some things that are gonna blow your mind. I think, and I hope the way they blow my mind, and this is always the reason why I'm just choosing to go and yeah, just purchase a new phone. I want to experience some new things, and that's not necessarily bad, guys. See, we have really a lot of the things that I am used to inside from One UI, and I can find them there. So this is really very nice to see from Realme, right? Guys, if you like videos like this, subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm gonna turn the phone like this so that you can experience the whole beauty of it. And with that said, guys, please have a very nice weekend ahead of you. Please write about what you want to see. Hit me up with the comments what type of reviews you want to see about the Realme and about the Samsung and about the Pixel, because you know I am doing this video, yeah, hopefully to be useful. VST over and bye man.